Hi, I'm Alexander. Today we're going to be talking about that wonderful time of the month, the colour of the month, and it's here again. So what is my colour of the month? Well, first off, what's the style? The style is Bryony in the Alexander Couture Collection, and I'm showing this colour, which is peaches and cream. Now, what do I love about peaches and cream? Well, peaches and cream as the food source I love because I'm a foodie, but as a hair colour, I wanted to encapsulate everything about peaches and cream. So for me, a peach colour is like a coppery kind of blonde. So within this, we have this lovely coppery blonde. Then you can see we've got these face framing highlights, low lights that are running underneath. I'm also going to show you the back of the lighter colour. Now this is the cream. Can you see this? So the peaches running into the cream. These lights are taken from underneath. Very, very fashionable colour. Very wearable, really wearable, and adds a load of warmth and skin tone, depth into the skin tone. We have a very pale chocolate line regrowth, which is really subtle. So I'm just going to take her off the head, just so I can be a bit more kind of tactile with the piece and show you the colour. So around the front, again, we've got these lovely face framing highlights. Now this colour looks great whether it's curly, straight, short or long, because all of those different tones allow definition, show off texture, and really does do something amazing. I think if you're used to wearing warmer colours, wanting to push the envelope a little bit, great. If you want to try something completely different that's super fashionable, peaches and cream could be one for you. So this is a peaches and cream. She's my colour of the month, and she's gorgeous.